Hi Cardinals, today we're going to do some more counting. Yesterday we counted in a line and array. Remember that means an organized group. Today we're going to count our objects, so this time we're going to count them in a circle. We did this a long time ago when we were working on our numbers up to 10. Remember all the criteria for when we count objects in a circle. We're going to look back at that today, but we're going to count objects up to 20 so that we can reach our learning target that says, I can count objects in a circle to tell how many up to 20. So up to 20 different things. We're going to have to really focus on that criteria for counting in a circle so we don't lose track. Before we do that, we're going to practice some of our fluency things with our teen numbers. Then we're going to use our brains, be really good mathematician magicians by looking at our application problem and solving those problems before we get to counting things in a circle. Let's start off. Yesterday we counted things in an array, which was an organized group. Remember, we start on the left, go to the right, return, sweep. Let's practice counting things in an array together to tell how many and write the teen number. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many stars do we see? 15. Let's write that as a teen number. Great job. Does this one mean 1? No, the 1 is a group of 10, but the 5 hides the 0. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many do we have? 18. Let's write that as a teen number. Put your elbow in the air. Ready, write. Great job. Does the 1 mean 1? No way, Miss McKay. The 1 is the group of 10. Next group. Start on the left, go to the right. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Let's write 17 with your tongue. Ready, go. Great. 1, 7. My 7 looks a little silly because writing on this computer is a little bit difficult. I bet you did a better job with your tongue. Excellent, Cardinals. Does this 1 mean 1? No way, Miss McKay. That 1 is the group of 10. But what is the 7 doing? The 7 is hiding the 0. Ready? Count. 1. How many did you count? 14. With your nose, write 14, please. Long line down, number 4. Great job. Tell your parents what the 1 means. All right, friends, did you say the 1 means 10? Yes, because the 4 hides the 0. Let's practice hiding the 0 to say our teen numbers. We'll first say the say 10 way, 10, 9. Then we'll hide the 0 and say the teen number. Ready? 10, 9. 19, 10, 5, 15, 10, 8, 18. Excellent job making your team numbers with your hide zero cards. Now, get our brains ready. Let's be mathematician magicians and solve a story problem. Listen to the story to figure out the important parts. Eva put her 12 cookies on her cookie sheet. Stop. Did you hear something important? Yes, we heard 12 cookies. Let's keep reading. Eva put her 12 cookies on her cookie sheet in 2 rows of 6. Stop. Did you hear something important? Yes, she used 2 rows of 6. She made an array. She organized her cookies in 2 rows of 6. Let's draw Eva's cookies. Well, drawing on this is kind of hard. If you have a piece of paper and a pencil, you can draw her cookies as circles. Miss McKay's going to pull the cookies out as cookies. I'm going to make 2 rows of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's make another row of 6 right underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have a row of 6 and a row of 6. Now our problem says, show her 12 cookies as a number bond. Ooh, we want to show her cookies as a number bond, but this time not as a group of 6 and 6. We want a number bond of 12 as a group of 10 ones and 2 ones. How can I make a number bond to show 10 ones and 2 ones? What are the 2 parts? 10, 2. What is the whole amount? 12. Excellent job. Now they want us to make 12 with our hide zero cards. What goes here? 10. What goes here? 2. Excellent job. 10, 2. Then find and circle 10 cookies that are inside the 12 cookies in the array. How can I find the 10 cookies in my array? I can count them out. Can you find a group of 10 cookies and circle them with your finger? I found a group of 10 like this. Did you find the group of 10 a different way? You did. Some people might have found a group of 10 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You could have found a group of 10 that way. Remember, this is like our dot cards. We can see amounts in different ways. And as long as you have the same amount, it's correct. Good job, Cardinals. Kiss your brains for being such great mathematician magicians. Now let's look at our learning target today. Ready? Our learning target is I can count groups up to 20 in a circle. I told you when we started we really need to make sure that we focus on our groups by using all of our good criteria for counting in a circle. Remember, when we count in a circle, we mark where you start. So if I'm going to mark where I start, I can put a line on one cookie. I touch one at a time and say the number. When we get back to where we start, we stop. Watch and listen as I count my group of cookies to find how many. I'm going to start at the top and mark. When I mark this cookie, I say 1. Then I go to the next. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop! I can't count this cookie again. How many cookies are there? There are 12 cookies. The say 10 way, I have 10, 2. Remember, mark where you start, touch and count one at a time. When you get back to where you started, stop. Let's practice whisper count the objects. Mark where we start, touch one at a time, and when we get back where we started, stop. I will color in one heart to show where I start. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Stop! How many hearts do we have? 14. Please put your finger in the air and write a 14. Great job, Cardinals. Ready? Let's count our suns. I will mark where I start. When I mark where I start, I'll say 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop! How many suns do we have? 12. Excellent job. Now let's look at the moons. What do I need to do to count the moons? Yes, mark where I start. What do I say when I mark where I start? 1. Ready, go. 1. Stop! How many did you count? 15. Put your elbow up and write a 15 in the air. Great job, Cardinals. Oh no, look at these lightning bolts. There are so many. How many do you think there are? Ready? Mark where we start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You keep counting. Ready, go. Stop! How many did you count? 18. Wow. You choose what to use to write 18. Did you use your tongue? So silly. Great job counting things in a circle today, Cardinals. What did you notice about all of those? Excuse me. What did you notice about all of the pictures? Everything was in a circle. Is it easier or harder for you to count objects when they're in a circle like these pictures? Why? Yeah, sometimes it is easier because it's organized if you mark where you start and you touch one at a time. And sometimes it's harder because you might forget to mark where you start. Then you just keep going and going and going. Which way is easiest for you to count? When we show you the number in a circle or when we show it to you in a line or a tower? Why do you think that is? Great job, Cardinals. How can you practice counting at home? Remember, you don't have to have a paper in front of you to do your math. No printer, no problem. You can put small things around the house in a circle and count them. Then on a piece of paper, a dry erase board, sidewalk chalk, and shaving cream, be creative. You can write how many. I counted my Skittles. I marked where I started. I counted around in a circle, touching one at a time, and stopped when I got back to where I marked. I counted 19 Skittles, so I wrote 19, and then, just to bump it up, I made it into a number bond. 10, 9. I did the same thing with my gummy bears. Marked where I started. I counted one at a time in my circle and stopped when I got back to where I started. I counted 15 gummy bears. Then I made it into a number bond. 10, 5. I'd love to see pictures or videos of you being creative and doing counting in circles at home. I hope I can see some pictures or videos. I'm proud of you. Kiss your very smart mathematician magician brains. Great job, Cardinals. I'll see you next time.